Next topic is filtering data. MS Excel provides the features to separate the data according to our requirement. It is temporarily hides unwanted data. Suppose if you want to use the filter feature in a table, is it used to header to select the column in which you want to apply the filter? Means कि select both A or B column. To apply filter, type the list team as shown in figure 3.6. Then follow these steps. Firstly, go for the data tab, then sort and filter group, choose filter option. The drop down arrow, you can see the heading of the column. If you want to separate the country name, then click on that drop down arrow. You can see by default all the countries are selected by it. You have to untick all the boxes except India because we know about the India player, and then go for OK button. In that type, you can see here the Excel filter the data only Indians country shown in the figure 3.10. This feature is also known as auto filter as it automatically lists down the filtering option. The next is advanced filtering. Advanced filtering means defining criteria such as more than or less than a number. In that type of list, if you wish to see player who have the highest score of 150 runs and have scored less than 17 सेंचुरी, अगर हमने इस टाइप का डाटा यहाँ से लेना है कि जो प्लेयर हैं वो 150 रन से हाईएस्ट हो उनके और जो सेंचुरीज हो वो 17 से लेस हो, अगर हमने इस टाइप का डाटा लेना है देन वी हैव टू यूज द एडवांस फिल्टरिंग ऑप्शन. Follow these steps. Step: select the entire column heading like A2 to E2 and copy them in A14 to E14. Leave one row at least in between the copying the data to another cell. The next, you have to fill here greater than equal to 150 the highest score in B15 column and in D15 less than 17 because we have to sort the data according to these numbers. Then go for the data tab. Next, sort and filter feature. Select the advanced filter feature. Then choose, you have to see here the advanced feature filters where you have to fill the data. Firstly, you have to select copy to another location. Then the list range where the data is filled means A2 to E12 and the criteria range click and drag the mouse, select the cell A14 to E15 की जो आपकी रेंज है वो हमने कहाँ फिल करनी है, एंड कॉपी टू कहाँ पर कॉपी करनी है, देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट हेयर, write the here A17 because we have to move the data in A17. Here you can see here the highest score is above than 150 and the centuries are less than 70. Thank you.